Yeah, you want to watch this to the very end? Don't click off. Watch to the very end. Let's go. Hello, welcome. My name is David oisamoje. If you're just joining me for the first time, my channel is all about creating designs. Yes, passive income designs for Redbubble, Public tips pre-made by Amazon. We're talking about print on demand designs here. Designs you can make and upload to print on demand site to make passive income. So if this is something you're interested in, please make sure you stick around. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. If your subscribe button is still red, make sure you hit it. Turn it gray. Make sure you hit your subscribe button till it turns gray. And with that said, I'm going to go straight into the design because I don't really want to waste your time. For you guys that have been supporting me and watching my channel, I really appreciate you guys. You guys have been amazing. For you guys that are just joining me, I have a lot of videos you can watch on my channel, so you can go scroll and watch a lot you can watch from. A lot you can just pick as much as you want to watch every single day. Just watch 3, 4, 5 till you're okay and satisfied and ready to design. Then you're good to go and you create your own designs. And yes, most of my design, majority 90% of my design, I've used Canva for it, and I'm going to be using Canva for this one again, so I'm not going to waste your time. Let's go in and open canva.com. So we're going to do canva.com, open that and start creating our designs. So we'll go to create a design, custom dimension 4500 by 5400. This acts like a Canva tutorial tool for designing of t-shirts. If you're just joining me, designing of t-shirt graphics, if you're just joining, so you can learn how to use Canva with this process also. So you're killing a bear with one stone, or should you be killing a snake with one rod? Killing 10 snakes with one rod. So that you get the drill. So now we're just going to go straight and go to elements, and I'm going to search for just simple elements. But as you can see, I use Canva Pro, so I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro. If you stick around, I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro. So it's advisable you stick around so that you get that for yourself. So I'm going to do noodles. Yes, so I'm going to do noodles. Let's see what it brings out. So now we have noodles images. That's why you see Canva Pro. That's why I love Canva Pro. You get the chance to just use different images the way you want to use them. As you can see, most of them are pro images, so you want to make sure you have Canva Pro. Stick around, I'm going to show you how to get that for yourself. But let's find noodles for now. So we'll just scroll through and just find one we love. Just find one that we love and use. Okay, this is a cool one, so we can use this. I'll just click on that. You can change the color. Of this. You can change the colors. That's why I love Canva Pro. It gives you the ability to change colors, so you can just change colors. But with this, I'm not so sure. So let's increase this a bit. So to do that, we're going to move our cursor to this edge. Press down our left mouse click button and just drag outwards a bit, like so. Position it in the middle, like that. And now we'll go over to text and just find a cool text for ourselves. Let's go to add text. As you can see, it's quite small, so we'll move our cursor again to the edge. Press down left mouse click button and just drag outwards, like so. So for this, we just click and find a good text. Some are pro, some are free, so you just have to find the best one that matches this design. So this one is going to be a funny kind of script text. Let's see how this looks. Okay, I think I like this one. As you can see, these are, if you check them, they have the crown. So it's telling me as a Canva Pro user, I can use this one. You can use this font for free. So you see, most of the fonts with the crown are pro images, but because I'm a Canva Pro user, I'm using them for free. So I advise you to get Canva Pro. So now I'm just going to increase this. Like I showed you in the beginning, you move your cursor to the edge, press down your mouse click button, drag inwards or outwards. So for this, I'm dragging outwards. So now this one is just going to say send. Just going to say send. As you can see. So that's what this one is going to say. That's what it's going to be all about. We'll make it a little bit bigger again, and now we'll move it up. Just move it up like so. Move it up like so. And now we can decide to change the font color if we want to. We can decide to change the font color to red or something close to that. It will work well on a white shirt. It will work. So now you see you have that. So now we can just leave that the way it is. You can leave that the way it is. It's gonna work well. Or you can go back and just, just get something close to the pot or close to the stem. More prefer the pot, so just go. Okay, something close to that pot. Okay, as you can see. Something close to the pot. I think we close to it. You get the drill, so you can just keep going till you get a perfect color, as you can see. So now we have the design. So now you've seen the first reason why you need Canva Pro. It helps you with pro images, premium text. It's super cool using Canva Pro. You can see our design just took us about 7 minutes. So it's super cool to use Canva Pro. I'll get that for you. It's a free gift of me. If you check the first link in the description after this video, or now pause this video, go check that out. The first link in the description, click on that first link. You're going to be taken to a new tab. On that tab, you're going to be look for where you sign up for Canva with your email address and all, and you're going to be upgraded to Canva Pro for 30 days free on me. Yes, it's a gift from me to you, so please enjoy your gift for 30 days. It's just a way of saying thank you for watching this video to this point. I really appreciate you guys. So with that said, the second reason why you need Canva Pro is to get rid of the background. You don't want the background in your designs. You always want to get rid of the background, because the way it is set up right about now, our designs can only work on white shirts or white design, white product, and we don't want that. We want to be able to give people the option to get their design on different colors of shirt and all. So you always want to make sure it's done on different colors of shirts. So now you just get Canva Pro, you'll be able to use it without the background. But if you use the Canva free version, your downloads is gonna come with the background. So now to prove I'm on Canva Pro, I'm just gonna hit transparent background. As you can see, that's that crown. If you're on free version, the crown is gonna be gold in color. But for me, because I already have Canva Pro, it is transparent background. I hit downloads, and it's gonna download for me. I'm going to show you that it works. So I'll go to show folder just to show you this unique design I just created. So as you can see our design is without the white background, and it came out well. It's a funny, creative design, so very funny, very creative at the same time. So you see, it took us about 9 minutes to get this video done, not super long a time. And you can see our design all using pro elements. You can also use free ones if you see free ones, but this is me using pro elements, and I'm able to get this done. This design, people will love it because what it says, the way it is spot is different from what some people would think. And it's going to be funny to some people. People love to see people wear this shirt. People love to get this shirt. So that's why you see my channel is all about creating designs that sell. You get the drill. It's about creating designs that sell. So with this design now, people will love to buy it. You're good to go with this design. you can upload it then to all your print on demand site, not just one. We're talking Match by Amazon, Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Society6, whatever print on demand site you think of, upload it to those sites and make much more design so that you can make passive income doing it. So with that said, I'm going to see you on the next one. To my right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists and you go to go. Stay blessed. I love you all.